Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 129 after sitting all winter long. Always a good idea with any vehicle to do some checks before you go taking it out on the road, especially if you're sitting all winter. That way you don't find out the hard way if something was wrong and find yourself sitting on the side of the road. So we're just going to do a quick few things here. We're going to be going through the fluids. Best thing you can always do is just take a look underneath the car. If it's been sitting, then obviously we'll be able to tell if anything's been leaking. And then also just go through any plastics, make sure no rats got in anything while it's been sitting. Obviously only things that are easy to remove like this and the airbox here. So let's get started. So first things first, always take a look underneath the car. Looks good under there. I don't see anything leaking. So that's always good. Let's take a look at the oil here. It's going to be our first one on the front here. Let's give it a pull. Let's give it a good clean off. Color still looks great from last year. It is due for an oil change, but if you guys have been watching the channel, you know I'm a bit of a weirdo when it comes to maintenance and factory parts and yada yada yada. So if we take a look at that, looks great. Oil looks nice and clean. It's not full to the very max, but I'm happy with that. So we'll put that back in. And we got a little bit on the belt. Put that on there. Try to clean that off the best we can. Luckily or not luckily on these cars, we don't have a traditional cap on any other make that you would pull the cap and be able to tell your level. Unfortunately, we just look at this. So if you open it up, looks good, doesn't smell too hot, probably time for a flush, but it's definitely good for a drive. Always make sure you clean off the rubber seal. This is a seal here, and you don't want that leaking when it's moving and the car is on. So let's make sure you clean up that seal, and then we just put that back on hand tight. Kind of feel it come to a nice stop, and that's it. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is just pull the plastics and make sure we don't have any invaders. Just a quick look at easy plastics that come off here. Everything looks good, no mouse houses. Pull this one up, just get a look. It looks good. If you guys are looking for videos on how to change some of these sensors up here on the front, there are some on the page. I believe we did the coolant temperature sensor and some others. Make sure to like and follow so we can keep on keeping these old Benzes on the road. Pull off this back hose here. And then from there we can just pick on up. And let's get a look. Make sure there's no mice in the valley or anything like that. Whoa! Looks like we might have a friend in here. So let's get a look. Definitely something living in there, as you guys can tell. Not good. So now we have this off, you guys know what to do. Let's pull off our filter cover. Just make sure this guy isn't still hiding in here. And if he is, let's make sure he gets outside. Filter housing out here, pull your clips, and let's remove. I'm not seeing them on this side, so that's good. He didn't chew through the filters. Just pull these out here. Okay, so looks like we had a temporary stay. Always good to give the air filters a good hit out. Ideally, you guys would blow those out with an air line, but I don't have the compressor hooked up, so I'm not going to do that right now. So once you guys get your air filters all blown out, wrung out, however you want to do it, let's get these doors reattached, get our air filter housing back together. Everything should be fitting nicely. If you're having any issues putting the clips back on, something is not sitting right, please don't force it on us. Alright guys, so after a closer look, nothing that would cause for concern. Luckily the looks like the air filters kept out whatever was trying to make a house in the car. So now we're just going to go back on with the air filter housing and get it buttoned up and ready for a drive. One last thing, guys, before we go for a drive, because we are now ready. Car looks good. Looks like she's ready to roll. As always, check your tires after wintertime. You're bound to lose a few PSI just due to the temperature change and it's sitting. So I'll save you the time. Mercedes recommends 35 in the rear, 30 in the front. However, thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. If there's any kind of repair videos you'd like to see for R129 or any other Mercedes model, please let me know down in the comments. If there's anything I missed and could add that I should be doing myself, remember, we're not all perfect. We don't all know everything. So if there's anything that I could do to be better, please let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.